everyone, Andal here. I'm going to teach you how to draw my cute little Grim Reaper from my comic series Grim Days. It's pretty easy, anybody can do it, but it's also kind of fun having something simple like that in your repertoire. So to start with, you're just going to do simple shapes. So the head is pretty circular and then a square jaw. I'm doing my initial sketches in a light blue on a new layer so that way I can delete it out later when I go back in with the black on a new layer. After the head and the jaw, you're going to want to draw the cowl of the hood and then the body of the hood. As you can see, you're gonna mess up. It's gonna take a little while to get that exact shape. Even I, who have drawn Grim over 100 times now, still have a little bit of issue sometimes getting that just the right proportions. So don't feel bad if you have to erase or have to try again. Photoshop and Procreate and all that make it really easy, and if you're drawing on pencil and paper, you have an eraser. So don't worry about messing up and take your time to get the right shape that you want. Then we come in and create simple little, I guess they're kind of like a B and a D to create the arms. And then after that, you're going to come through and draw a diagonal straight line and then come back to do a second one and create the pole for the scythe. And then finally, you'll do the scythe blade. There are a lot of different shapes you can do for a scythe blade. You can have something a little more straight, a little more curved. You can come in and break up the edge so that it looks like it's a rusted up blade. Just play around, figure out which one you like the most. Last, we're going to come in and do the eyes. They're just two circles. Try your best to get them pretty even unless you're trying to do a special facial expression, which I do in my comic strip a lot, where one eye is bigger to show that he's confused, or there's a sharp line on the eyes to create kind of an angry face. Just do whatever feels right to you. Once you have the base sketch you like, whether it's perfect or just kind of a little off, you will create a new layer and switch to black to ink in the exact lines. You can make a little bit of adjustment as you go to some of the stuff that's not quite right, so don't worry again if it's not perfect on the sketch layer. When you're doing the face, when you get to the mouth, there are a couple ways you can do it. Again, you want different designs for different facial expressions. Right here, I'm going to do the smile, so I'm going to use the bottom of the circle as a guideline. And then to create the effect of skeleton teeth, just do 3 lines. Once you have the outline done, you then remove the blue layer. You can just click the little eye icon to make it disappear from your sketch. And then create a new layer below your outline layer. This is going to be a layer that we color on. You can do multiple layers, one for each color if you want, but since this is really simple, I like doing just one layer for the whole thing. Then you'll just do whatever color you want the robe to be. I like to do a dark gray. It's kind of to give that effect of a black robe, but because the outline is black, if you fill it in with the same color, you're going to lose the arms and the cowl outlines. So to keep those lines there, I do a dark gray or a medium gray, but you can do whatever color you like. If you want a pink Grim Reaper, you can have a pink Grim Reaper. You want a dark blue, it can be dark blue, whatever you are happy with. So after I color in the robe, I usually do the blade next. I pick a light gray, because especially a blue tinged light gray, because that gives kind of more of the metallic effect to it, a silvery kind of color. But again, it's just like with the robe, you can do whatever color makes you happy. If you watch my comic strip, you'll might have seen that for the Pride Month one, I actually did a rainbow robe and a rainbow blade. The handle of the scythe I like to leave white, though in the early days I used to fill it in brown. Again, that's another personal preference sort of thing. The last detail that I add onto the Grim Reaper are 2 white dots in each eye. I do a bigger one to the top left and a little one to the top right. So there you go, there's the final product. Hopefully you now feel comfortable drawing a cute little Grim Reaper. I would love to see how your drawings turned out, so please share them with me. The easiest way is on Facebook, but I will leave links to all of my social media in the description below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this or like the other ones that I offer, then please subscribe. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!